Our planet is at risk from a series of dangerous tipping points, according to a new scientific report released today. That means the kinds of changes that could happen in just a couple of years and have a massive impact on humanity. I spoke to the report author, Professor Tim Lenton.
So our global tipping points report shows that we're already at risk of tipping 5 damaging Earth system tipping points: the loss of a couple of major ice sheets, disruption of the circulation of the North Atlantic affecting the climate in Europe where we are, as well as losing large areas of permafrost that add to global warming and triggering the dieback of coral reefs that 500 million people depend on for their livelihoods.
The tipping points that may be passed don't just have implications for places like coral reefs or tropical forests. Also, the kinds of changes he's talking about in the Atlantic could have major impacts for Europeans.
As a British and European citizen, I'm most concerned about a tipping point in what's called the subpolar gyre of the North Atlantic. The last time this tipped, it gave us the little ice age in Europe. We're not adapted for a sudden shift to a much more seasonal climate that would have much colder, snowier winters, as well as hotter summers, and reduce the growing season for major crops by a couple of months, as well as major disruption to water supplies.
A key takeaway is that it's not just every degree of warming that counts, it's every 0.1 degree of warming that counts when it comes to these tipping points. A message the scientists hope will be getting through to delegates here. Jeremy Wilkes at COP28 in Dubai for Euronews.